Hello everybody, what's happening? Hey, this is Rexstick Adventures, and yesterday I went on the First Time Riders benefit at Cedar Point for the Still Vengeance First Time Riders benefit for the LeBron James Association, and we went there, had plenty of good food and everything you'll see in the video. But to start off this vlog, they gave me this box, which I slid this off. I haven't opened the box yet though. It says the Cedar Creek Trading Company. A little box here. It's a little souvenir. They gave us a lanyard and some other stuff too, but you'll see that in the video also. Oh look, Twisted Timbers from Kings Dominion. Get that at your Twisted Timber store right beside the Twisted Timbers in Kings Dominion and Doswell, Virginia. But anyway, looky here, the box. Open it up. Whoa, it's a handkerchief. And we also got a little card here. It says Still Vengeance on the other side. Still Vengeance Cedar Point. The Cedar Creek Trading Company has produced a special gift from the mighty timbers of a forgotten legend, rumored to have a mean streak of his own. Please ensure it's the utmost care as you travel across the dusty frontier. 1852. Okay, guys, let's see here. Inside this handkerchief. First, she sells a VHS cassette tape of the Main Streak, but then she said it wasn't. She said it was a piece of wood from the Main Streak. Whoa, look at that. Wow. Awesome. Sweet. That is... I can still smell the meanness of the Main Streak, guys. Wow, that is so cool. Still Vengeance Cedar Point 2018 with the Mean Streak piece of lumber in it. That is so sweet. That is cool. That is very cool. Cool. And with the handkerchief, wow. I love that. Thank you, Cedar Point. And thank you, LeBron James Foundation. Yes. Okay. Whoa. And we also got this Tallest, Fastest, Wildest, Cedar Point 2018. Wow. Which I already opened this up a little bit, but I opened it all the way. Limited edition photo print inside. 659 of 1,000. Whoa. There's a number on there. Where is it at here? It's right over here, guys. Right over here. 659 of 1,000. That is cool. It's got the 3 characters on there. Wow. That is so cool. But anyway, I do have a vlog I'm going to do that day. I'm going to upload this as a video first. Presents. The picture, 1 in 1,000. And then this here, is there any numbers on this? I don't see any numbers. But I smell a tear from when I cried riding it, guys. So sweet. Let me see. Still Vengeance. Anyway, I like to send a special shout out to Cedar Fair for doing it right. And for having the utmost greatest food and service and respect, and for giving out to the donation to the LeBron James Foundation. That is awesome. And for doing this, because believe it or not, I think almost everybody there loves this free gift that they got with it. This is just awesome. We send a thank you, Cedar Fair, Cedar Point. Thank you. And this is just awesome, guys. Let's get some fireworks. Fireworks, guys. Fireworks. Confetti. That's what I'm talking about. Anyway, but boom, guys. And make sure that if they ever do anything like that again, make sure you go there. You click on the special events page on the app, and make sure that you do it. And it was $75. We got a bunch of free food, got free picture on the ride, but I didn't get mine because we didn't wait there long enough for that. We also got to ride the Maverick, got free, there's 2 free adult drink tickets. I got them still. I didn't use them. And that's for 21 and up, guys. And then we also got free waters, free sodas, free shrimp, crab legs, I think it was, pulled pork, all types of good stuff, cookies. I had popcorn, bacon, chocolate popcorn, awesome everything. And then the picture too, and a lanyard, which is in my car, and it says Steel Vengeance around it, and it has a little thing down the bottom. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video if you can. I never get likes. I get some subscribers, a couple here and there. But make sure you hit the like button, because nobody ever does. They always dislike it for some reason. But anyway, that's what I got. And make sure the next time, hopefully I'm still around. You can comment to me, say, hey, I'm going to this here. Make sure you go, because I don't want to miss out on this type of stuff ever either, because that was just awesome. I got gifts. I love it, guys. Peace out. Later. And make sure you subscribe, right? And like. Anyway, take it easy, guys. See you on the next video.